One has to give it up to the writers of SABC Skeem Saam for their stellar job that they have been doing. Over the past few weeks, the soapy has been delivering great storylines that have made it one of the most popular shows in SABC. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Following Pretty and Lehasa's short-lived relationship that has broken so many hearts and caused Zamokuhle to lose his job, Skeem Saam fans think that it's just the beginning. Pretty has went back to Teflop and she still has to explain herself to her boyfriend Katlego, and Lehasa is left confused as he thought they had something special going on. Skeem Saam viewers think that more drama is yet to unfold as they are convinced that Pretty is pregnant with Lehasa's baby. She just doesn't know it yet. Skeem Saam viewers took to Twitter to share their views. Fans would love Lehasa to be a father. He always wanted to have a child with his late wife Zandile, and he even went all out to freeze his late wife's eggs. Unfortunately, the medical facility that was keeping them lost them. In your thoughts, do you think Pretty could be pregnant with Lehasa's baby? Please drop your comments down below and keep this in mind. Love you.